Howdy everybody, it's Steve here. I've always loved playing this song. It was written way back in 1970 by a lady called Melanie Safka. She just usually goes by the name of Melanie. Now, she wrote it after performing at Woodstock. She was so impressed with the crowd and kind of describes looking out at the vast crowd, sea of people in the audience. It's called Lay Down. And then in brackets, Candles in the Wind. And it goes like this. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that's standing. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that's standing around. We were so close, there was no room. We bled inside each other's wounds. We all had caught the same disease. We all sang the songs of peace. Some came to sing, some came to pray, some came to keep the dark away. So raise the candles high, 'cause if you don't, we could stay black against the night. Oh, raise them higher again, and if you do, we could stay dry against the rain. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that stand. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay all down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that standing around. We were so close, there was no room. We bled inside each other's wounds. We all had caught the same disease. We all sang the songs of peace. Some came to sing, some came to pray, some came to keep the dark away. So raise the candle high, 'cause if you know, we could stay black against the night. Oh, raise them higher again, and if you do, we could stay dry against the rain. Lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that standing. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones that standing around. Whew, what a cracker. Hope you enjoy it as much as I like playing it. Let me know if you don't. I can handle it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'd love you to do that. I really appreciate it. Makes my day. And see you later.